So next, I'm going to discuss integrating with zipBoard via APIs. And these are a bit more of a customized integration. And so the use case for this and really the benefits of using APIs is we can add markup capabilities to your workflow, either through embedded or just through share links. It allows you to retain your existing tools, so you don't have to switch any of your document management or your project management tools if you don't want to. And it can save you time and money on developing your own tool. So, oftentimes some people will come to us having created a beta version or a very rough version of a markup tool, but then the issue for them is that they have to upkeep it, they have to continue to make improvements for it for the functionality. So we basically come in here and we save you time and money on doing that, as that's kind of our whole business. So with that, we can integrate existing platforms directly with zipBoard. So one of the customer integrations that you might find, that we have done is SAP, but basically we can create custom integrations with any of your current business tools. So that can be in the form of managing your uploads or launching the review tool, and basically just to ensure that whatever tool that you're currently using now, you can now also add the feature of marking up your documents and managing those comments and tasks accordingly.